Stand on it. Yeah, stand on it. Why have you bought the ball?
I couldn't make this patient lie down. I couldn't make her sit even. So I just gave it a try, adjusting in standing and weight bearing onto the hands.